Here is the situation. When your item is out of stock in Amazon, what you are doing is very important. PM here, yeah, of course you can PM here. Yesterday buyer bought that item, but once I checked, no stock in Amazon. Okay, so don't worry about the language. So I completely understand what you are saying here. I said him send me an ASIN number, okay? This here I checked, no item number, so it doesn't matter. He don't understand obviously what's the ASIN number. It doesn't matter, I got it. So this is the part what you can do. All right, so take the number, take the part of the title. In this case it would be Torun M26 Bluetooth headset. Just copy this one, okay? Copy this one, Torun M26 Bluetooth headset. And because he didn't provide any ASIN number, I have to find this on Amazon and to see where it was on Amazon. So I took this, I made a copy and paste, and here it is on Amazon. It's out of stock. Usually ships with 1-2 months. Well, the price is actually $44.76, so which is not really exciting for us. What shall we do? Because here was 30 plus shipping, about the same kind of like stuff. Okay, so bottom line, there is a problem. Okay, what I do is I copy and paste in a eBay. Okay, when I copy and paste in a eBay, I found out this piece here. All right, it says Torun M26 Bluetooth headset with noise cancelling mic, booms 2165, fast and free, cheaper even than on Amazon, cheaper even than on Amazon. All right, because if you half price from this one and a $10 cheaper than he said 30, and here is now I found for him for 21.61. Obviously what I'm doing is I said buy this one very quick and send him the link, okay, of this Bluetooth headset. Basically what you do when you buy this headset here, and when you buy it now or add it to cart, doesn't matter, buy it now, you check out and you write your buyer's address. In other words, you provide this seller with your buyer's address, and you pay with your PayPal. Go through the cashback, okay, through the cashback, because when you check out through the cashback, you got even more cashback, you got even more profits by doing this through the cashback. The bottom line here, if you run out of the stock, like here for the 30, if you would buy them, or here you can buy them with the 21.65. Okay, I know there is a trick, one trick, but how we can do about the eBay tracking numbers, because we can't add eBay tracking number once more on the eBay. That's right, that's correct. For this one I have a very special another trick. There is solution, very nice one, but it's just for another video. I hope this will gonna help you. Take care.